Hang on, hang on. Still series. That's better. Okay, we've got still series going. Against still series. Still series media. Is it gonna work? Yeah? Okay. Bring this down. Okay. Nice. Okay. Got a frame. Oh, we got a frame. Okay, wonderful. We're set up and we're ready to go. Okay. Where do we start? Right. Let's just clean up some code. Quick demo of what we've got so far. Ooh, laggy. So we've got some dashing. We've got placing the bombs. Nice. Got some explosions. Ah, I needed to finish that first. Okay. So what I need to do right now is I've got three um, widgets that's here. I place a bomb, place a bomb, place a bomb, and I place a fourth bomb, and that hasn't been tracked on here, so I need to work out why that isn't happening. So we're going to start with this is our user interface just for now. We've got update bombs, and we've also got code for adding an item, which just a U function doesn't actually do anything, which pings into this, creates the bomb, adds it to the item. This is fine, but when that gets added, when we collide with this thing, of which we have a collectible here, right? So a collectible, you run into it, it plays a sound, and then it does a thing that's related to leveling up, which is this, and then it spawns an emitter and destroys the actor. Simple stuff. Okay, so we've leveled them up, but really, at this point, we should really be wrapping this with a level up function, right? So we've got this in here. That's what we're going to do. We're going to build the level up function. Because level up can change, and I'm going to decide what that is later on. But we're going to level up. And that will be increasing the max spawn bombs, and then we need to get the user interface and add item like that, and that should just create the item. Should increase it. Let's give it a go. So we've got 3 items. We should bump into this and get 4. Get in. We've got 4. Cool. Place, place, place. We've got 4 placements and we explode them. Cool. So let's pop those 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh. Okay. So we've got our player. What I want to do basically is there's a lot of things in here that I'm really happy with that I'm just going to convert into C++ just because I find it quite relaxing. It chills me out a little bit. And it's always worth doing when you know you're happy with something. I'm going to leave anything to do with input in here. This is fine. That's debug. That's that. I wonder if I can wrap that in C++. So we're going to take the can dash boolean first of all, bring that into C++. Um, and we also need to get these events to fire as well. Where are these coming from? Is it just from the character class? Probably, right? So let's open up the C++. Let's stick it in here. So it's going to be virtual void on jump. Was that right? On jumped. Doop doop. Override. Check the character and look for jumped. Right, I apply it like that. That's fine. Can do that. Don't mind me, just doing something else. Okay. Now I need to get to the parent. No, just checking something. Okay, might have something here. haven't created the variable yet, but I'll come to that. Okay. Let's make this private. Compile. Let's compile this. No, wrong code. Yeah. And compile and live coding. Did that do a thing? Did you do it from here? Come on, there. That's what I was after. Eh? Whatever. And I'm getting uncomfortable. What an idiot. Question is, does any of these two get called? Let's find out. That got called. Child didn't. Okay. What am I missing? What am I missing? Add the parent call? Maybe, or maybe. I don't. Hopefully, I don't have to restart the whole program. This is good. This is what we want, right? So we've got the right thing happening. We just need to get rid of that parent call. It looks like this. We just lose that altogether. And the same thing can be applied here for event unlanded. So that's still going to take 2 cents. Unlanded. Unlanded. Come on. Do my job for me. No. Okay. Unlanded. Come on. Really? You've got on jump but not on landed yet. I've managed to call on landed. Yeah, but it's just called landed. Whereas jumped was on jumped, but this is landed. God, my nose is itchy. Yeah? No. Right, get rid of all of that. Oh, there is on landed. Ah, that's why. That's fair. That's fair. Stick there in. Yeah, that's better. That makes sense. I didn't even check that. So, oh, so it does a trace when landed. That might be useful. Eh? Okay. Really? So it just doesn't. What? It's quite frustrating. Gonna let me do that? Ah, see, now I was gonna say there's nothing to override. What? I can override landed. Okay, we'll try that. Okay. So how the with that function out? So we said that landed just engine API and unlanded is a blueprint in the middle of it. Okay. Okay. Right now the big test. Yeah. Hidden it, haven't I? So this doesn't really help anymore. Oh right, yeah. I'm gonna have to expose Candash then, won't I? That's fine. So, um, new property. I'll just make this a blueprint read only. Should not be used on private members, of course. What about protected? That's better. So I need to replace this variable with this one, and replace that with that one. Let me get rid of this. What was jumping used for? Not used. Ah, it's inside the code, inside the character. That's fine. Yes. Okay, we've got our dash implemented in C++. Sort of. Sort of. What's next? Fine. Okay. So, writing all of this. C++. Kind of relies on this bomb, right? Let's get this bomb in C++, which I don't have one. So we write that now. See what this is like. So I'm going to go to Tools, create a C++ class. All classes, it's an actor. Name it bomb. Easy. I could reorganize all of this if I wanted to. But no. Okay, so where do I start? Where do I start? Where do I start? Let's get this class open. Ah, come on, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So my what I want to have is multiple different types of bombs. So I need to try and make the bomb class as generic as possible. So I need to reload the class, the project. Let me just assign that. And what functions do we need to know? Okay, so we know that a bomb can explode, a bomb can level up. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, let's make these functions very, very quickly. So we're going to have a U function blueprint implementable event called level up. Come on, camel case. And another one, I'm going to call this one explode. Don't complain. If it complains, it's fine. I know what I need to do. It's gonna complain. No. Okay then. Eat, sleep, dev. Not quite. Not quite. It actually says eat, sleep, VR, repeat. Uh, in my day job, I make VR content, so that's what the t-shirt is. Actually, I wore it at a beach, and it's like this kid. He must be what 13, 14-year-old, and he was like, what on earth's going on? Do you like VR? Aye, yes, young lad, I do. I do like VR. Class. Thanks. End of conversation. Let's be bomb class gone. Right, get me class back on. Right. Quick demo. Oh, everything's broken. Event explode. Quickly map this back up. And I'm just going to do a quick demo of what it looks like at the minute. My game. And the same here. Okay. So, what have we got so far? Compile, save. And it was the third person control. Characters broken. Why are you broken? What? Ah. Can you just pick that up? Like yourself? I have to like recall it again. Oh. Blueprint. Callable. Blueprint. Callable. Recompile. Ah, yes. Oh, okay. Let's see. Make sure nothing's broken since. So, can I run around? I can dash. Oh, I can dash like 100 times. Okay, we did get rid of that. that needs to stop. And can I still blow these things up? Place a bomb. Oh, and still level up. Okay. Okay, it's all good. Okay. The face that we do when we realize the code is not available in Blueprint. Yeah. It's all right. It's the same stupid thing every time. The same expressions over and over and over again. Because yeah, it's like, oh, this thing I forgot to do. I never even remember like the names of these. It's just kind of ingrained into, this is the thing I need to do, and I kind of don't get very good at remembering to do this. I just know that what I need to do to put myself in the position to fix it rather than being in the position to write it in the first place, which is not ideal. Okay, let's try and get some more of this in C++. What's important? What's important? The level. Understanding everything that a bomb has, right? So again, try and break this down in an object-oriented as much as possible. A bomb, every bomb, it doesn't matter what it is, has a level. We start there. Yes, I need to be able to read and write this variable. So you see if I remember this time. U property. Ah. Uh, blueprint read. Right. I mean, it's a bit silly, but category is bomb. Am I even allowed to say a bomb on YouTube? Am I not allowed to say bomb? Is that like a flagged word? Okay. Level. Level is an int. Default level is 1. We've got a radius as well, so let's get in there as well. I'm mindful that at some point this is going to be data driven. Float. Range. What's the default range? Radius. Radius 50. Radius, not range. Radius 50. Is that how you write it in C++? Is that a Unity thing? Guess we'll find out. Okay. Originally, I had to run this piece because there was spawning and pushing things around, which was wrong. I'm going to drop this and just see if that changes the way this runs. And then I can look at changing this to default on the construction. Great. It is pretty satisfying to do this. I feel like I'm just on the cusp of this like being fun. I can feel it. There is music. It's supposed to be music. Curious you can't hear the game. Output capture? Let's see. Call this a game. Let's see if this gets captured. Might be really loud. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Why changing this in C++ instead of keeping it in Blueprint? The code seems pretty straightforward. Because I'm trying to future-proof myself, and I enjoy it. I enjoy it mainly. I find it really relaxing. Just it's an opportunity to rethink the code that I've already developed. So I may think, all right, maybe there's a better way of doing it. I also hate using loops inside of blueprints. I often have bad experiences of these where sometimes you would be entering this, not necessarily from an event, but it may be firing off, and then this section may continue, or another section of code may continue before the for loop is finished, which doesn't actually happen in C++. So getting rid of these is helpful. Yeah, but the main reason is that I just enjoy it. Just a way to chill. And then when that's done, then it's like, right, okay, let's think about what the next thing's going to be. Set collision labeled. I am not streaming on another platform. I don't actually have a Twitch account. Well, I do, but I don't. You know, I don't really use it. Should I? Should I not? What's that? Colin? Ah, Fudgesicle. I've got to set all these components up as well. Okay. In order to do that, this is going to be the static mesh. Why not static mesh? Static mesh. Right, let's create the component for this. And up here, new property, new static mesh component, static mesh. Alright, okay. Well, thank you very much, dude. Thank you for clicking the link. What I want to do is I want to remake a PS1 game called Silent Bomber. That was terribly spelt. But there's something really arcadey and addictive about it that I enjoy. Was it good? Yeah, it was good. Of course it was good. Just give us a long play. Gameplay, no commentary. That'll do. And, you know, I don't see any buzz around it or anything, and remaking games is it's a cool little popular thing. But there you go. You got a gadget, run around, place this bomb, blow stuff up. That's what I want to do. It's really snappy and arcadey. Static mesh. Yes, create default component. Static mesh. Create default subobject. Static mesh. I would say to go multiple. TP or FP? What do you mean TP and FP view? Ah, nah. Nah. I actually first originally tried this project as a first-person VR game. And the problem became very, very quickly that it wasn't fun to move and navigate. So when yeah, when you're in first person and you know it's kind of like this fast movement, right? It's moving and dashing, but at all times you need to be able to look around you at all times. It's kind of trying to capture this, you know, Bandai Namco kind of arcade feel, and that's why it's gone top down. It's based on the third person code. Like at the end of the day, I've just shifted the camera around. But even as third person, it's like the game should feel like bang, 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 not looking, targeting, shooting, ducking, targeting, shooting. When I eventually bring the enemies in and stuff, you want to be like being addressed by 4 different enemies at the same time and being able to attack them from all different directions. Yeah, yeah, man, absolutely. I've been like, this game has been stuck in my brain for about 2 years, if that, like probably longer. I've really thought about how I wanted to play, how I wanted to feel. I tried even trying to modernize it, like very easily breaks it. Okay, I'm a big Metal Gear fan, right? And obviously, with Metal Gear Della being a Metal Gear Solid 3 remake, and it's like line for line exactly the same. And I try to think about how you could remake Metal Gear Solid 1. Bearing in mind it was already done with Twin Snakes, right? And in aid to modernize it at the time to follow MGS2's mechanics, what you ended up having was pretty much broke the game. It allowed you to do a lot more than the game was originally designed. It broke the level design. And I think, same kind of applies, right? I don't know if MGS1 should really ever be remade. In the same sense, it would have to be like completely built from the ground up. Something totally fresh. Comparing to this, what I'm doing, anything that I tried to try and refresh it immediately made it lose the charm of what I was trying to go for. Just something snappy and fun and quick. There. Do one begin play. Get rid of that. Put these in. So on begin plays basically when it's getting spawned, it'll do these things I wanted to do, which is pretty much just resetting it to this base, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do play sound at location, play sound. They're removed on the iPhone. Aye. Yeah, but can you give us a game analogy of that? A game that was remade that wasn't necessarily a success. I think Resident Evil 2 is like one of the greatest remakes. It really managed to build it up from scratch without having to lose its essence. Huh. Right, okay, where's this from? Gameplay statics. Okay. Gameplay statics. So you said you're a game dev and a publisher, right? In your experience? Great. Right. Okay. Well, you know what it is. I would argue that having hype for around those other genres um, is an even better excuse to not do that. Audio clip is a Unity word. I shouldn't be doing that. Spawn sound wave. There we are. I think the only thing why I'm doing this though is just because I enjoy it. Like, it's a game I would like to play. And that's the most important thing. Yeah. That's it at the end of the day. Like, as long as you're doing it just because you want to enjoy it, rather than if you can extrapolate the money part, like, yeah, as long as you can extrapolate the money part of it, it's fine. Look, I use Unreal Engine as like in my day-to-day job. It's not as creatively fulfilling as it used to be, so just being able to do this for a couple hours a day just will help. Was it in the gaming sector that you worked, or was it in enterprise or business, corporate? Yeah, what's your problem? What? Ah, very cool, dude. Very cool. Is there anything I can take a look at? Vector location is a vector, right? What the hell? Yeah. Fair point, mate. Fair point. Fair point. Ah, oh, dear me. Sound wave not inherit from sound base. Ah, pointer. That's better. Mate, you do, like, like, what works, you know? There's an audience for everyone. It's when it comes up on the CV, right? Or when you're meeting someone new and you're like, oh, what do you do? Well, what do I don't do? Alright, I'm gonna finish this line of code, I think. No. So, oh god. That was funny. That's it, just playing the sound when it spawns, so I'll do it for now. Tired. Oh, what a friend. Well, thanks for joining me today, dude. Really appreciate it. And it's broke. Give us a little subscribe, dude. I'd appreciate it. If not, don't worry. It's not the end of the world. But I've enjoyed the company, so yeah. Come on. I'm gonna finish this off and just get this to a point where it's not broken. Arigato gozaimasu. It's actually broken. It's actually broken. Oh dear me. It's the what's this? Class to construct by default. Ah, right, okay. I don't think it's gonna like that. Can't be this. Can it be? The name. That was on his thingy to do that. And yes, ChatGPT is just giving us a quick hand. Gotta do what you gotta do, bro. Team got cut back quite a bit, so I ended up only being the dev available for a long time. ChatGPT became my only friend to keep me company. What the hell? What? Do I need to add to the root? Ah, oh, it's not register. I don't think that's right either. Ah, really? It is, yeah. Correct it. Oh, how long have I been doing it? Oh, mate. Alright, oh, hang on. Let me just find out where this class sits. Just need to know the header. Just I will answer the question. No, not water. It's just a language component, right? Yeah, this isn't right. 2 seconds. You stop showing me the Python, yeah, and show me where the header is. Just want the header? Actually, oh, sick. Oh, right, okay, I've been doing game dev using Unreal for like full time for about 2.5 years. Before that, I was doing some software programming, and before that, I was teaching Unity and doing some Unity projects on the side. All in all, around about 10 years. Components. I'll check components. Yeah? Oh. Yes. Well, yes, okay. So, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Came from Unity, but I tell you, let me show you a CV. Just because we've got some cool stuff on here. Alright. My website's down. Why is my website down? Oh, that's so frustrating. I mean, I love Unreal. I really do. It's brilliant. Unity got started. Yeah, I'm just digging out my CV because it's got some links to some of the stuff I've done. I'd be absolutely virgin if found it. I'm good, I'm good. Right. So you see this one here on the left. Built this whole thing in VR, fully explorable. Walk around the whole ship. It's obscene what we built. It's amazing. Battery plant was easy. The wind turbine was cool. A good picture. It was a scenario where like there was like multiple things that could go wrong. We've got some cool stuff. Yeah, there's something really wrong here. I'm going to generate Visual Studio Project files. Oh, I was supposed to be signing off 20 minutes ago. This is going well. Oops. Okay, so it wasn't Visual Studio Project files, that's the problem. So the big oil rig, we actually even did it with 3 people. We had the CAD and we wrote our own code to interpret that into a 3D model in multiple different ways. It was really, really cool, really, really powerful. Client absolutely loved it. Ah, you silly boy. Did I say I enjoyed Unreal? I think I'm changing my mind. Please work. Right, I should have 2 now, and it should be freaking out. No, I don't want it to be the root component. Ah, screw it, it'll be fine as a root component, so I haven't done any harm. Not blueprint visible or blueprint read only. Dear me. Can't edit that because I didn't want it to. Which means I need to add this. Moosh. And then fly through this. This. If it's not equal to a null pointer. So quick error catch. What's the problem with you? You done. Compile. Come on. Huh. 2 viewers. Hello. Mate, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm enjoying the company. I'm happy with that. Being sarcastic. I am. Hey, why is this next? Okay. Come on. Yeah. We're almost there. Almost there. Try basic ships, I'm sure that's fine. Get rid of this. All of it's in C++ now. Hit play, and the bombs are there. They're tiny. Are they tiny, or are they just like completely non-existent? Oh. When that compiles, that should go and get a static mesh. And then set it. Just compile this a sec. That's null. That shouldn't be null. I've just wrote it as not to be null. I've just put it in. Initialize the mission on begin play instead. It's fine. Yeah. Yes. Okay, let's see that one more time. And then I'm going to sign out. Thank you everyone for just hanging with me and keeping me company. Bop, bop, bop. That collision was wrong. Yeah. Hear the jumping in it. this project. It's just not snappy. No, I'm not. I need to go. Goodbye.